Back at the Park MGM with another room review. Did the king room before. Now we're doing 2 queen beds. Let's start with the bathroom. Sliding door. Nice, clean, sleek bathroom here. Check out the mirror. You got artwork. You got a whole nother mirror here too. Zooms in. Oh. They even have their own toiletries over here, which I didn't see when I had the king room. I don't know if it's because I'm on the 28th floor and it's a little more special or what. But they got like hand wash and everything else like that. And it does say $25 if you remove the bottles. So don't touch that. Check out this walk-in shower. Real nice. With the glass door. I like the green. I think some of the rooms have red, maybe the older ones. Here, I was talking about those toiletries. Take a look. They must have been really good though, because these things are empty. So I don't even get to try it. They did leave 2 of these things. Yeah, the king room didn't have any of that. That's weird. All right, slide this door back. And you reveal the closet. Ironing board, safe. Hangers, you got an ice bucket. A couple glasses, plenty of storage room in here. I don't ever use those though. Luggage rack. Let's move on to the main area. Check out the beds. It's same square feet. I think it's like 406 square feet as the king room, but it's not cramped. It's still very spacious. King room also had that door that leads to the other room. I didn't like that, so this is better. And once again, don't touch the snacks, because if it's removed for like 60 seconds, it's automatically going to charge you, and it's like $14 each. It's a ripoff. Got a nice TV though. It even pulls out and swivels. I'm not going to do it right now, but you can imagine. You can watch from over there. Swivel it to angle this bed. Plenty of artwork. Lots of artwork. It's pretty nice in here. This used to be the Monte Carlo. Still has that like Italian European feel. Got a nice workstation with a nice chair. King room had a better chair actually, but that's still nice. Does look like it has some stains maybe. Ugh. Another thing I did notice bad. Looked like someone was trying to get into here. Probably was trying to get free snacks and cut the power or something. I don't know. But I'm not going to touch it because I don't want to get charged. Got a little light here with the switch there. Got this big couch. Let's check out the view. It's pretty sunny right now. Hard to see, but T-Mobile Arena. Out there you got Allegiant Stadium. Right next to us we got New York roller coaster, Excalibur, Luxor, Mandalay Bay, and Delano down there. It's a really good area, especially if you're coming to a hockey game or a show here. This is a great place to stay. The staff was very friendly. I actually highly recommend this place. One of my favorite places to stay, and also got comped, so get that card. Thanks for watching.